Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys, I have to put my lipstick on. I can't do this video without it. So I've been running around all day. I just got through eating lunch. Bear with me. Let me line them. And here's a little trick. If you want the bottom lip to look fuller, you just do like that. Now, it really doesn't, okay. And then, where's my lipstick? My Hermes lipstick. Okay, I feel like Alex of HRH Collection. You know how she's always putting on her makeup, especially lipstick in the car. Anyway, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. You guys ready for this video? Because I have something very exciting to show you. A luxury handbag. What? Again? You said you weren't going to do this again, you guys. I know I said I wasn't going to do it again. But when a company, a luxury company, wants to send you a luxury leather handbag, Italian leather, what do you say? You say yes. I'm not going to turn that down, you guys. I'm so honored and excited to be working with Teddy Blake again. This is our second collaboration together, and I cannot wait to show you what I got this time. If you want to see what bag I chose, stick around. You guys, I'm so honored to be working with Teddy Blake again, and you're going to be surprised what bag I chose, because the type of bag that it is, I've ragged on it a lot, you guys. Yes, I have. Okay, so my office is kind of a hot mess. I just brought a few decorations in here. It's not decorated. I took down all the Halloween stuff, and I'm finally getting into the Christmas spirit. I'm so excited. But you guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this bag, because I never thought in a million years that I would choose this type of bag. The first bag that I got from Teddy Blake, it was gorgeous. I think it was an Ava croc. It was beautiful, but I sold it not because I didn't think that it was beautiful and not because it wasn't well made, but because it wasn't really my style. But this time, you're going to be shocked. And I really do think that this bag fits my vibe. So I'm not going to keep talking. I'm going to show you the bag, then we'll do some more talking about it. Okay, so Teddy Blake comes in this beautiful white box with Teddy Blake of New York. It's a company right out of New York, and they make Italian leather handbags. And the box is just like what you would get from Louis Vuitton or any of the high-end stores. It's a magnetic box. So open it up, and it's packaged like this. So it's just got the paper, and on the front of the box it says Teddy Blake of New York, designer handbags made in Italy. Italian leather, you guys. Luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag is made with you in mind, to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choices. I love that. Okay, so here we are. Move back the paper, and you guys, it's not like Louis Vuitton where they just throw a bag in a dust bag. They have it very well packaged. Now, you guys know I love Louis Vuitton, but I do think they could do a lot better with packaging. So I have taken a peek at this bag, and I already looked at it, and then I put it back because I couldn't wait, you guys. So it was taped up very nicely in this bag with bubble wrap. So when I pull it out of this bag, it's got the bubble wrap, and here is the dust bag. The dust bag feels very, very soft. Actually, the dust bag feels a lot like a Louis Vuitton dust bag. It's very soft, maybe a little bit thinner, but that's fine. I don't use dust bags anyway, you guys. So you're going to be surprised. You're going to be saying, oh my goodness, Yota, what were you thinking? You were always ragging on this type of bag. But I thought, you know, I'm getting this bag for free. I'm gonna try it because I've been ragging. Is that a Southern term? Anyway, I always gripe about this style of bag, right? Oh my goodness. A bucket bag. I told you guys you're gonna be surprised. So when I saw this color, I thought, oh my word, that is absolutely beautiful. And I have no bags like this. I don't have one bag this color. And what I really liked about it is the drawstring. Now I know, like from Dress Up Your Purse and places like that, you can get those little pieces that go on that you just push up. I might do that, but I wanted to try it. I thought, why not try it? I am given this opportunity. Why not try a bucket bag? So this is the 8-inch Eliza bag, and it has gold hardware, and you just open it up like this. And I'm gonna tell you guys, it smells so good. It is a very strong, very luxurious leather smell. The leather, oh my gosh, it's to die for. Look how soft. Okay, right here it says Teddy Blake, New York, just very lightly stamped right there. I can't tell you how soft this bag is because, like I said, the first bag that I got from Teddy Blake, it was gorgeous, but it just didn't work for me. I mean, I know I have Capucine's bags and things like that, but that croc is quite, like, very structured, very beautiful. It didn't work for me. So I went the exact opposite this time, you guys. This is like the softest leather. If that's not Italian leather, I don't know what is, because it is wonderful, the smell. And what I really liked about this bag is it has a really thick strap. It's adjustable. It has these grommets here. Now this may not be my exact favorite type of adjusting, but actually this fits me really well adjusted the way it is. And also I love the fact that I can take off the strap and I can put something else on there if I wanted to. If I wanted to do that, I could. So that's pretty cool. But you guys, I'm in love with this bag, and let me show you the inside of it. I can't believe all of this time, 3.5 years on YouTube, I'm like, bucket bags are horrible. And I get a bucket bag, but I think I like it because it's soft and squishy and it's very relaxed. So they had it stuffed with all this paper. There's a bonus in here, you guys. You guessed it. Look at that. It comes with this beautiful, I love this. Look at that. Now, it has this little thing on the back. I'm not really sure what this is for. I haven't really inspected it enough to know. Honestly, I don't know what that's for, but whatever. It's a great little wristlet, and the zipper is very buttery, just like Louis Vuitton. That's very important to me, to have a zipper that just glides. Very beautiful. I love even the gold. Some bags have very cheap looking zippers. This one is great. Look at that. You see how malleable it is and how soft it is? And the bag is the same way, you guys. Now, here's the part that I absolutely love. If you can see inside this bag, it's like raw leather on the inside. I absolutely love the inside of this bag. Just soft. It's just, look at this. You could just like smush it all up. That is why I like this bag. I think what I've always considered a bucket bag that I did not like is like a Louis Vuitton bucket bag. Like the ones that are so structured. But this one is just like, look at this. You can just smash it up, and it's just such luxurious, wonderful leather. I'm dying, you guys. I'm dying over this bag. So this bag is a part of the Eliza collection. And what I love about this bag, it's the Eliza bucket bag. It's just so chic and effortless. It's just a chic, effortless bag. And today I'm just wearing all black. And I love the way this camel color looks just with black together. So I've got it over my shoulder, and I can adjust it and make it longer. I can wear it as a bucket bag. As a matter of fact, I may lower it down just a little bit because I love it. Look, this would be a great bag for traveling. That's something all us YouTubers always say, although I don't think anybody travels anywhere. We just say that. I know I don't. But anyway, you guys, look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. And I was thinking I could take the strap off and I could put my rainbow Coach strap on there for a little pop of color. That is if this fits. Yeah, I think it will. So I could do all kinds of stuff with this bag, and I love that. But I'm not really one that changes out my straps and changes out my bag, but if you want to, you have that option, and I absolutely love the fact that it comes with this little catch-all bag. You guys, I'm going to list everything in my description box below. My coupon code, you get 30% off with my coupon code. I'll run it across the screen. I'll put all the information that you need to get one of these beautiful bags at a discount, and this would be a fabulous, fabulous Christmas gift. You guys, get it for yourself, get it for your mom, get it for your sister, girlfriend, boyfriend. Get this bag because I love it. I love it. So now I can't say I don't love bucket bags. I can say I love the soft ones. This is just something totally new for me, and I cannot tell you how excited I am over this bag. This bag is every bit the quality of any luxury bag that you would ever get. Now, that's my opinion. I've looked it over. Even on this, it has the detail. Even on these little grommets, it says Teddy Blake. It doesn't have feet. It's just a smushy, casually chic bag, and great everyday bag. And I absolutely love this size. I think this 8-inch size is perfect. Go down in my description box, dig around in there, get my coupon code, and order these bags because they're cheap right now. Do it while you can, you guys. Use my code. I think now it's Cyber Monday, so you're probably gonna get an awesome deal, you guys. This is an amazing bag. I don't know what else to say. I love it. That's not all I got. Oh, no, no, no. You know, I'm always thinking of you guys. So, when Teddy Blake approached me, I said, may I possibly get something as a giveaway? Maybe a wallet for one of my subscribers? And they said, absolutely. I love that about them. Oh, thank you so much, Teddy Blake, because I really, really feel that I owe my subscribers the best. And I feel like Teddy Blake is the best. I really do. I'm not just saying it. I know there's other reviews that may say otherwise, but you guys, with my experience with Teddy Blake, they're the best. Teddy Blake, call me anytime. Anytime you want to give me a free bag or something for my subscribers, I'm going to work with you because I love Teddy Blake. And if you could smell this leather, it's like the minute you open up that box, it hits you in the face, that beautiful leather smell. Anyway, you guys, Teddy Blake has gifted you guys, okay? They sent this, and she said, absolutely. And I'm just so honored to be able to do this for you guys, all right? And I'm thinking, who should I give this Teddy Blake wallet to? Yes, it's a beautiful wallet. You guys know I don't do random giveaways. And look at this color. Look at this. So it's a zippy, much like my Louis Vuitton zippy, and with a buttery zipper. And I love the inside of it. It's silver hardware. Look at that. Look at all those spaces. You know, with a tote, if you carry a tote, or even a bag like this, you know, even though we do carry small wallets, there are those people like my mom, my sister, they still carry really large wallets. And this is the perfect zippy wallet. And actually, if you have this wallet, you don't even need a bag. You just carry this with you because I'm pretty sure, let's try it right now and see if my phone would go in this bag. Mine is an 11 Pro, and yes, bam, look at that. So you don't even need to carry around a bag. This is all you need if you're going grocery shopping or out for dinner or something like that. And look at this beautiful silver, and right here in a little bit darker silver it says Teddy Blake of New York. I don't know if that's showing up because the lights may be blowing it out, but there, I think you can see it just a bit there. You guys, I'm honored to be able to gift this to one of you. And I thought I'm going to go back to the very beginning to one of my subscribers. I have several. I have so many of you that have been with me forever, but you know, I think about it and I think, who should I give this to? And it just came to me. I really, to be honest with you, I didn't put a lot of thought into it. A name just came to me and I think it was on my heart. Shirley Eads. You're always there. Sometimes on my videos, she'll just say, hi, Yota, and she won't really say a lot, but she's always there. She's always saying, hi, Yota, hope you're doing well, just to let me know that she's watching my videos. She's been watching my videos and putting up with my crazy shenanigans now for 3.5 years, you guys. So, Shirley, it's my honor to send this to you. If you will email me or message me on Instagram, YotaStyle Lux, or email me your address, I'm going to put it back in its dust bag, and from Teddy Blake and from me, we are going to gift you this beautiful silver tone, silver hardware. It's absolutely stunning Teddy Blake zippy wallet. So I'm so thankful that Teddy Blake sent this. This makes me, to be honest with you, this makes me just as happy as the bag myself, because no, I don't need bags, but I'm just so honored to be able to send this to you, Shirley. It almost brings tears to my eyes. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake. I love Teddy Blake, and I love this bag so much. I'm thinking about going on there and using my own code and maybe getting a bright color for spring, because I love it that much, you guys. I cannot believe that I love a bucket bag, but I love it because all the reasons I told you. It's so soft, so casual, and it goes with my vibe. But anyway, you guys, I'm so honored today to be able to do this for you. Shirley, Merry Christmas, and from Teddy Blake and from myself with love, I hope that you really do enjoy this Teddy Blake wallet. Okay, that was rude. I was just talking away and my battery went dead. Rude. Okay, I'm thrilled, Shirley. I'm so honored to be able to send this to you. And thank you again, Teddy Blake, for working with me. Order some stuff, you guys. Order a bucket bag. Yes, I'm a convert. Now I don't think I like the pearls. Anyway, should I put the pearl on there or not? I don't know. But I love the bag. I love the bag. I'm so super excited. Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone. I'm going to be giving giveaways away all during Vlogmas, you guys. I have the Christmas spirit. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. And really, I just go with a name that comes off the top of my head or from my heart. So anyway, that's really all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys again in another video on another day. Peace.